Look at Sterling. He loves his little shirt, don't he? He's sweet.
He bit me.
Look at him in his little Christmas shirt. We gotta get everybody's shirts on. Hi, Bubba. Hi, Bubba. I'm just nibbling. I'm not biting. I'm just nibbling.
This was his Christmas present.
This is his Christmas shirt. Could you move so I can see your brother, please? Thank you.
His
Come here,
Christmas
Sterling.
present.
Move. Come here. You want a treat? Come on. Sorry. Come on. He looks like he's stuck. Can you get up? He said, I don't know how. Come on. You want a treat? Yeah, that's what I thought. Yes, look how sweet you are, Sterling Bird. Oh, my little baby. Let's give him treats. Let's get treats.